force gusts hit the valley that Saturday afternoon. It turned hundreds of thousands of people's lives upside down. And it brought so much more crashing to the ground.
Well, at least it fell where it needed to.
But not everybody was so lucky. Watch what happened to the Apollo Propane Company in Moraine. Mature trees snap like twigs and turn them into pickup sticks. Metal roofs peel back like tinfoil. News Center 7 viewers everywhere grabbed their home video cameras and camera phones. They captured Ike's relentless, almost ruthless power and minute-by-minute damage. Every passing minute, more and more trees fell. More and more places were damaged. More and more people lost power, and this meant no power at busy intersections. Ike pushed a lot of places back in time to when stop signs ruled the road. This is home video, and it shows just how strong the winds were. It's a wonder these kids stayed on the ground here in Warren County. Corn stalks flew through the air, almost like missiles, and the mess just kept getting worse. Getting Ike to stop was not an option. Ike came without an invitation, stayed around way, way too long.
Barely walking against the wind, wondered why her neighbors came running.
They grabbed me, and I said, what, did the branch fall down? And I come around the corner, and it's like the biggest branch I've ever seen.
Tonight, the lines at fast food restaurants, the ones with power, are out of control. Have no electricity tonight, and power poles are cracking like toothpicks.
We just heard a large crack and looked in the backyard and noticed the power pole snapped in half. It's like a crack of thunder.
We drove around before nightfall and found leaning power poles in Crosswood, fallen awnings in downtown Dayton, uprooted trees and branches almost everywhere, a mess of construction in front of City Hall. Shingles and siding on several homes in Kettering. The most amazing scene was the Shell gas station near Gettysburg and Germantown Pike in Dayton. What's left of it, that is. Despite all the damage, so far no reports of any major injuries. Police and fire are extremely busy with calls.
We have three.
Came with me this afternoon.
Oh, this is nice.
She'd come outside to take a good look at her home after a tree toppled over and got quite an eyeful.
We heard a large crack, and a few minutes later, we saw the tree on the other side of the house.
And over at the Xenia Old-Fashioned Days Festival, the gust of wind tested heavy strength, and so organizers decided to shut it down.
Part of a house you're not supposed to see from the outside.
Debris was flying all over the place. It came out. It almost hit a couple of other trailers.
David Van Hoos was nearby when high winds tore the roof off of this mobile home in Springfield Meadows Mobile Home Park in Clark County, sending debris everywhere.
The roof over here blew off, and we thought that it was going to be a tornado coming through here, and everyone ran inside. It's just been a mess out here all day today.
And that mess was everywhere in Clark County. Trees split clear in two and blocking. Just about everyone in the dark. Ohio Edison, which serves much of Clark and Madison counties, says power is out to about 47,000 customers. A spokesperson for the company says it could be 2, perhaps even 2.5 days before power is fully restored.